pretty. Guys, we're back. We're back with another video. Back with the night vlogs, maybe? I don't know. Just for now. Does that look like probably. Alright guys, in this series of not so bad booger welds, just kidding, they came out actually pretty decent. Let me get the light here. Freaking foot hurts, but I would say, yeah, not too shabby. I mean, I wouldn't be mad if I paid for those. I mean, the ones on the Jeep now are all cracked. If these crack, the only person I can blame is myself. But tomorrow we're gonna get cracking on the front axle. They were doing a double throwdown on this one, so I gotta cut these brackets off, put the spring buckets back on, the new, what is that, for the track bar, and it has the mount there for the hydraulic ram. I guess they weren't going to use a hydraulic ram on this, I'm not too sure, but they added another block plate right here, which is right there. Everything fits nice and snug on this side here. But rear axle is done, ready to go in. Just got to get that front axle, and they'll be going in the Jeep. In the box over there, I got everything from Dynatrac. These axles I scored for the best deal ever. It's cloudy right now. We got the evacuations going on that way, Garden Grove. We didn't make the cutoff, so we're stuck here working for you guys, working for the Jeep, working for more activities. Anyways, cleaning up the welds. Got myself a welder. I wouldn't have to pay anyone to do this, so we're experimenting. So if that 3-link truss breaks, I can only blame myself. If this one does start to crack, I can go ahead and weld it up myself again. Not a big deal. Finish cleaning. Catch you guys in the morning.